Hi guys, my name is Zama for those of you who don't know me, and people have their own quotes, and this is my own quote, and I'm living out this quote by making this video. My quote is, the world does not know you unless you introduce yourself. And I feel that it's time for me to introduce myself. And the way I introduce myself is by these videos that I'm going to begin to make, messages that I give to you at home. Look, I care about you. I want you to achieve stuff. Look, some people may have looked down on you. Some people may have looked and see, look, there's no potential. Some people may have given up in you. You may be depressed. You may be in a difficult situation in your life. It might be hard for you now. It might feel like a failure. You might feel like you're down, or maybe you might be good, but you're just not great. But I care about you, and so that's why I want to share what I've been reading and what I feel has been valuable in my life, and the things that push me forward in life. And today I want to talk about a very important topic, and that is perfection and excellence. I have an issue, and the issue is that most of us complain, and when we complain, the thing that we complain about, this is what it is. We come and we say that I can never be perfect. That's what we say. Look, I can't be perfect. Look, Zamo, I can't be perfect. Perfection is just something that's unreachable. And some of us don't do great things in our lives because we feel that perfection is nothing that can be reached. Look, I want to say, look, you are right. None of us can be perfect. None of us are perfect. I'm not perfect. But here's where you are wrong. None of us can be perfect. Yes, we all make mistakes. You can't be perfect, but you can be excellent. And there's a difference between being perfect and being excellent. The fact that you can't be perfect is not an excuse for not being excellent. And so you may not be able to be perfect, but excellent is something that's reachable. Yes, perfection may not be something that is humanly possible. That is something you cannot reach. But in your pursuit for perfection, you may reach excellence. And excellence is something that is humanly possible. It's something that you can reach. And you may ask me, Zama, what is excellence? Excellence, one author defines it as doing ordinary things extraordinarily well, or doing small day-to-day things in a great way, like leaving a mark, leaving a legacy, and doing something so good that when you have done it, people can say, look, Zama was here, he did this thing. And I agree, none of us can be perfect, but all of us can be excellent. And there's no excuse for you not striving for excellence. Excellence in what you do. Excellence in everything that you do. Look, you may not get the perfect grade when it comes to your studies, but look, you can be excellent. That means putting in your best effort, giving everything that you have, or even more than you can get. I don't believe in giving all you can get. I believe in giving more than you can get. You can refer to my first video, and that will tell you that. And in my life, I've realized, yes, I cannot be perfect, but that's not an excuse for not being excellent. And I want to reach for excellence, and I want to go and do things a great way. Yes, my relationship with my girlfriend may not be perfect, but it can reach a point of excellence where I can try and do things for her and make sure our relationship reaches a point of a high where it is so good that even though I'm not a perfect guy, I'm excellent in what I do, in my effort that I put in. I might not be perfect in my studies, but I can be excellent. I can give 110% for the things that I do. I may not be excellent, I might not be perfect on the sports ground. I may not be, I might not get everything right. Yes, sometimes I'll make mistakes, but I'm making sure I'm giving my best effort and I'm reaching for excellence in everything that I do. I may not be a perfect speaker, but I'll make sure that I'm excellent. I'll make sure that I practice and make sure that I read and make sure that I equip myself, that when I speak, you can feel that this person has been reading, that this person is giving his best. Yes, I may not be perfect. I may not be the perfect guy. I may not be the perfect person, but at least I'm trying to be excellent. Excellence is the key. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And if you didn't get anything from this video, I wanted to get this. Look, you don't have to be perfect, but you have to be excellent. And what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say you have to give the best. No option. You have to give your best. And I hope you consider this. I hope It's something that speaks to you because I feel it is important for us as people, even though we cannot be perfect, to give our ultimate best. No excuses, no excuses. Successful people have one thing in common: they never gave excuses, but they did whatever it is that was required of them to do. This is me saying my own personal quote: the world doesn't know you unless you introduce yourself. And I introduce myself with this: you don't have to be perfect, but you need to be excellent.